dugsiyada Nuruddin Schools.
Okay, welcome back. This was the previous class. We will continue. This is IKHWANI. I hope we are in a very good mood and in a very good situation. I hope every Somalilander and Somali is in a very good health. And I hope, inshallah, we will go back to our schools and universities, and inshallah, every student will do the same regular classes we used to have had. Okay, let's go back to the class. We were on examples, when you are making examples on linking words, the transitionals. Okay, this is also another interesting section. Okay, to indicate a sequence. This is when you are indicating a sequence, like the sequence, you know. For example, if someone asks you, how do you make a tea? You say, first, you have to take the teapot or the water, and second this, and then third that. This is a sequence. So when you are making, or when you are going to introduce a sequence, these are the words you need to use. Okay, these are the words you need to use. Maybe someone will ask you, please, can you tell me how to make tea? Then you said, yes, I want to tell you how to make tea. The best way that you can make tea, first, you have to take the teapot. And then you said second, and then you said third, and then you said finally. These are called sequencing or sequences. So you use this word, first or firstly. Or you say second, secondly. Or you say next or after, or finally. Okay, this is when you are making sequence, right? Brother, can you please tell me how to make a Somali tea? And then somebody will teach you how to, he will instruct you how to make the tea. And he said, first, get the teapot. Second, you need a tea leaf. Third, you need a fire, this and that, the sugar, all that, these things. And then finally, the tea is ready. Okay, so here we come. Now we are when you are introducing reason. Okay, when you are introducing reason. I have seen, as I said earlier, someone writing something or maybe speaking English. They are using the word therefore 10 times. Therefore, therefore, therefore. You better change therefore and then say then. And sometimes use the word consequently, and then so, and then accordingly, and then hence, and then for an instance, and then because of this, and then as a result, and then finally this. If you really if you don't understand the meaning of these words, you can really look up the meaning in the dictionary. Look up these words in the dictionary, please. If you come up the meaning in really in challenge, you better, okay, use. Okay, let's take quick examples about when you are really sequencing or when you are introducing sequence. Let's take the examples of when you are making, when you are really making a sequence. As I said earlier, first is good, and then firstly, and then second. Let's take two quick examples. If you want to improve your performance, you have to follow these directions. Look, and then you say, first, you must plan what you will study. Look, first, you must plan what you will study. The second example, look. Second, you must listen attentively in the class. And then you said, third, you must do your homework. And then finally, you must review what you have learned each day. See, this is how we make the sequence, right? But what about if you repeat fast? It won't work, my dear. You understand? Okay, let's take another example of when you are introducing reason. Okay, wait a second. When you are introducing reason, these where the word is when we are really when we are introducing reason. Okay, so we will take quick 2 examples of reasons. Okay, these are the examples. It was too hot today. It was too hot today. Therefore, we decided to stay indoors. We decided to stay home. So these are reasons. Reasons. Therefore, reason. Therefore, reason. Okay. And then you said, none of the students had paid for the trip. Consequently, it was cancelled. See, what about if I repeat the word therefore in the second example? It won't be interesting. It will be very boring. So all you have to do is to change these reason words from time to time when you are speaking and when you are writing. Okay, this is when you are concluding a paragraph, or when you are concluding an essay, or when you are concluding a speech. I have said 3 times concluding. It's not good. I have to say when you are summarizing, when you are concluding, when you are summarizing, when you are summarizing in summary. You say sometimes when you are concluding something in summary or to summarize. But if you repeat that word 10 times, it won't be good. And sometimes you use the word in conclusion. In conclusion. But do not repeat the word in conclusion or every day when you're writing. To conclude is another choice. Okay. In short is another choice. To sum up is another choice. And finally is another choice. But what about if you are going to conclude something and you are using this word, that word, okay, that word in summary all day and every day? It won't be good. So you have to change and have different choices. Okay, you have all these choices, my dear. You have all these choices, my dear. Okay, all right. Let's take quick examples about when you are concluding. Okay, when you are concluding, you say, my father didn't get up when her mother woke her. When mother woke. When mother wait. My friend did not get up when her mother, okay, when her mother woke. She didn't brush her teeth. She didn't brush her teeth before going to school. In the evening, she did not complete her homework. In short, that's the word I want. In short, look, in short, see, in short. Let's read the example one time. My friend did not get up when her mother, my friend did not get up when her mother woke her. She did not brush her teeth before going to school. In the evening, she did not complete her homework. In short, see, in short. In short, she behaved uncharacteristically all day, right? So the word I want is in short. Okay, these are really very important when it comes to writing and when it comes to speaking. Most of the English examiners, they will look at the transitional words when you are writing or when you are speaking. Okay, so you have to be very careful when it comes to speaking and when it comes to writing. Let's, my dear, quickly go back to what I was teaching you in the first section. These really definitions are really very important, so you need to always be careful about what are transitional words. Okay, these will be the definition. And I want you, please, look through the lesson over and over again. This is IKHWANI, and I hope everyone is really taking advantage of this class. We really come to the end of the second volume. But inshallah, I am going to advise you, please. We have had on page 7, which is in this class. Page 7 and 6, page 7 and 8, you can find this lesson, linking words. But page 8 and 9, there are activities. We have had that activities earlier, but I want you, please, go back to that activities and repeat over and over again. This class and lesson is really very important. So my dear, you have to get your books in front of you and answer all the questions in your book. Please send all your answers to the WhatsApp group, or you can normally Gmail me. I hope this is the end of our second volume of linking words, and I hope you, inshallah, a bright future. And Assalamu alaikum.